Hello friends, I'm Asudev. I done my BTech from MD University Rohtak. In this video we talk about top 10 national highway of India from NH1 to NH10. So we move to first to NH1. You can see here NH1 start from Delhi to Atari or Delhi to Srinagar. So from Delhi to Atari, that is NH1, and from Jalandhar, this is a very point is Jalandhar. From Jalandhar to Uri, that is a NH1A. So this is the NH1, and if you talk about NH2, NH2 started from the Howrah to Delhi. See, this is the NH2. See here the NH2. So if you talk about NH3, it's a start from Mumbai to Agra. It's connect Agra from Mumbai to Agra. This is NH3, and we move forward for NH4. NH4 started from Mumbai and it ends with Chennai. So it's connect Mumbai to Chennai. This is a major two major cities, and NH5 connect from Chennai to, you can say, Jhar Pokharia and to Kolkata via NH6. So this is a NH5, and NH6 connect from Surat. This is a Surat. From Surat to Kolkata, it's connect NH6. This is NH6. So NH7, you can heard about you will heard about the NH7. The NH7 is the largest NH in India. You can say it's the longest national highway in India. It's connect from Kanyakumari to Varanasi, or you can say Varanasi to Kanyakumari. It connects two major cities from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. So this is a NH7. And if you talk about NH8, NH start from Delhi to it's connect Mumbai. So NH from Mumbai, between Mumbai and Delhi, this is a NH8, and NH8A or 8B connects to Porbandar. So this is NH8, and if you talk about NH9, it will start from Pune and end with Machilipatnam. This is in Andhra, Machilipatnam. And if you talk about NH10, NH10 started from Delhi and it goes to Pakka Chisti, that is in Punjab. So these are the top 10 national highway of India. Instead of that, we have a golden quadrilateral which connect our four major metropolitan city: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, then again to Delhi, and it's also connect with Bangalore. So this is a golden quadrilateral. If you talk about north to south corridor, it's start from Srinagar and end with Kanyakumari here. This is the end with Kanyakumari. So this is a north to south corridor, and it also connect Cochin also. From Salem to Cochin, it's also correct. This is called as north to south or north to south corridor. If you talk about east to west corridor, it's start with Silchar or connect to Porbandar. So east to west corridor, this is a east to west corridor. And here we have some facts about NH, top 10 NH of India. NH1 from Delhi to Atari, Delhi, Jalandhar and Srinagar, Uri. This is NH2 Howrah to Delhi, NH3 Mumbai to Agra, NH4 Mumbai to Chennai, NH5 Chennai to Jhar Pokharia to Kolkata, NH via NH6, and NH6 Surat to Kolkata, and NH7 Varanasi to Kanyakumari, NH8 Delhi to Mumbai, and NH9 Pune to Machilipatnam, and NH10 Delhi to Pakka Chisti. So if you talk about golden quadrilateral is connect a major four cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and then again Delhi. In between Bangalore also, Mumbai or Chennai, and the distance kilometer cover 5,846 kilometer. And here we have north to south corridor. It's connect Srinagar to Kanyakumari, 4,000 kilometer, 2,000 miles. So and last we have a east to west corridor from Silchar to Porbandar, or you can say Porbandar to Silchar. Porbandar is in the west and Silchar is in the east. It connects 3,300 kilometers. So friends, this will have a top 10 NH in India. So please like, share and comment to my channel and subscribe. This is a subscribe button. This is my channel Asudev Geo Plus. So thank you friends. Please share.